Good morning, dear students. Previously, we have learned about the three methods of separation. Now, this is the fourth methods of separation, sieving. It is a simple process through which particles of different size can be separated from each other with the help of a sieve. Now we know what is the sieve. A sieve is a simple device with small pores or holes in it, which allow finer materials to pass through it. Example: dirt particles from the floor are separated by sieving at our homes. The fifth process is evaporation. The process of converting liquid into gas or vapor by heating is called evaporation. This process is used to separate insoluble solids from a solution. For example, salt is separated from salt water solution or from seawater by evaporation. After learning all the methods of separation, now we are on the new topic: sedimentation, decantation and filtration. The first topic is sedimentation. The process through which dirt and other heavier particles in a mixture settle at the bottom of a vessel when water is added to it is called sedimentation. The next is decantation. The process through which two liquids or a liquid and a gas and a solid substance are separated is called decantation. Decantation is done after sedimentation. The third point is filtration. The process through which smaller particles like dirt, sand, etc. are separated from a solution using a filter paper is called filtration. For example, we can separate sand from sand and water mixture by filtration. After learning all these methods of separation, now we discuss some important terms. The first is condensation. Condensation is just reverse of evaporation. Conversion of water vapor back into water on cooling is called condensation. The next is sublimation. Sublimation: when a solid directly gets converted into vapor and vapor directly gets converted into solid is known as sublimation. Every substance doesn't go sublimation, but some substances like camphor, ammonium chloride, anthracene, etc. undergo sublimation. For example, on heating, camphor gets converted into gas directly. The last topic is magnetic separation. This is the method of separation which allows metals like iron, cobalt, nickel, etc. which are attracted towards a magnet to be separated from a mixture with the help of a magnet. For example, a mixture of salt and iron fillings can be separated with the help of a magnet. Thank you.